Hey, everyone! Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to the Genius Team channel. I'm Hassan Kasula, and today we're diving into a topic that's crucial for anyone who spends a significant amount of time on their computer, mastering the mouse and keyboard. Whether you're a gamer, a content creator, or just looking to boost your productivity, understanding the ins and outs of these essential peripherals can make a world of difference. So, let's get started. Choosing the right mouse. The first step in mastering the mouse and keyboard is choosing the right mouse. There are countless options out there, from gaming mice with customizable buttons to ergonomic mice designed for comfort during long work sessions. Consider your needs and preferences. Do you need extra buttons for gaming macros, or are you prioritizing comfort and ergonomics for work? Once you've chosen the right mouse, you're ready for the next step. Understanding mouse DPI and sensitivity. Now, let's talk about DPI, dots per inch, and sensitivity. Adjusting these settings can have a significant impact on your mouse's performance. A higher DPI means the cursor will move faster across the screen, while lower DPI provides more precise control. Experiment with different settings to find what feels comfortable for you. Many mice today come with software that allows you to customize these settings, so take advantage of that to fine-tune your experience. Keyboard essentials. Moving on to keyboards, they're not all created equal. Mechanical keyboards are popular for their tactile feedback and durability, but membrane keyboards can be quieter and more budget-friendly. Consider your typing preferences and the nature of your tasks. Additionally, look for keyboards with customizable RGB lighting if aesthetics matter to you. Now, let's talk about key rollover and anti-ghosting, crucial features, especially for gamers. Key rollover ensures that all your keystrokes are registered, and anti-ghosting prevents unwanted key presses during fast-paced actions. Keyboard shortcuts for productivity. Boosting your productivity involves more than just having the right hardware. Mastering keyboard shortcuts is key. Whether you're working in spreadsheets, editing photos, or just navigating your operating system, keyboard shortcuts can save you a ton of time. Take the time to learn the essential shortcuts for your most used applications. Trust me, it's a game changer. Gaming setup tips. For all the gamers out there, let's talk about optimizing your gaming setup. Consider a gaming mouse with programmable buttons for quick access to in-game commands. And don't forget about your keyboard. Many gaming keyboards offer customizable macros that can give you a competitive edge. Fine-tune your mouse sensitivity for the perfect balance between speed and precision. Your setup can make all the difference in your gaming performance. Well, that wraps up our guide to mastering the mouse and keyboard. Whether you're working or gaming, the right peripherals and a bit of know-how can significantly enhance your experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'm Hassan Kasula. Happy computing.